Yeah guys, so this is Dave and Facebook with you once more, and today I am on Montague Street. Yeah man, so I come today to show you nice little food ends where you can come on like on a Fridays and Saturdays. You know, they have a lot of special things that they do off right here. So you know, so I was driving past the other night, you know, looking somewhere to buy some gas car, you know, some cooking gas finish, and then make a little wrong turn. I want to make a wrong turn now, like I said, I always find them wherever they are. But buck up on a nice little food ends, you know. So the man say, oh, you know, him just tell me the day when I come, you know. So I'm here today, so I'm going to show you what they prepare in the morning. Yeah man, it's very early in the morning right now, you know. So it's a little after 6 right now. That's when them start, and I come see them start. So I mean, they probably get up from like 5 o'clock when me just a turn. Yeah man, so we are gonna show you what's going on right off here. So on Montague Street. Yeah man, you know, alongside Lanston Road, you just turn, come down on Montague Street. You cannot miss. But today is very bleaky, so we have a little rain coming down today. Yeah man, so everything shut up before the rain, boss. Especially for me. Yeah man guys, so we are here at Montague Street. Taste Bud is here. So I'm gonna show you across right now under the blue tent. Yeah man, take a look under the blue tent, what's going on right there. There you go. Small little ends, you know, small little ends. So you call it a little authentic style roadside cooking are the best. Of course, you know, like roadside cooking are the best one, especially like when you see what go on. Yeah, we like when we can see what go on in the kitchen, you know, like when we go to some little places, you can't see what go on in the kitchen. So roadside cooking are the best. Everything with the man who can see it. Of course. See a lovely lady I pass me right now, I wait for the fries to finish and all them things there. See I go down the road there, yes man. So right over here guys, you can see what go on right over here. So right over here, the soup is actually finished. So ready to drink. And it's a great chef. Whoa, what a big old pot, man. So I'm waiting at the soup today. What's on the menu today?
Chicken.
Yeah.
Cow skin. Chicken
nice.
foot and cow skin.
Right.
Nice as soup in the east.
Nice.
Get it, please.
Yeah.
Money soup, Montague Street. You can't miss it.
Nice, beautiful.
One block on the street.
So is it the only type of soup you do? You do like porridge in the morning or it's so early?
Oh.
What you do? Tell them what you do.
Alright. From Monday to Saturday, soup.
Yeah.
Right? We do like pumpkin soup on Monday, pumpkin soup on the Tuesday. But from Wednesday go straight back to Saturday.
Nice.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
Pea soup.
Nice.
Right? So anywhere there in the world.
Yeah.
Land right on Montague Street, the best place in the east.
Nice.
Right?
Yeah.
We enjoy a big pot of red pea soup right now.
So how you sell your soup? What you like the smallest cup?
Alright. 150.
150. Great.
Right?
Nice.
Them one here, 5.
5 bills.
Yeah.
Nice.
4.
400. So like you do dumpling?
Eh?
You do dumpling?
Yeah man.
So dumpling one cup there. I don't want a little small cup there, man. I want a big old cup.
That's why we make sure we introduce them to the
the
big giant.
Cup. Nice.
Anywhere
nice.
you go,
Yeah.
this is Manchester United Champion League Cup.
Yeah.
So anywhere you're there in the world, Argentina, Brazil, Italy, Everton, all over.
Over the world.
Big side Juventus and Man U.
Nice.
Just come drink a big Champion League steroid.
Alright, so is there a special name they call you Soupy?
No.
Yeah.
Everybody does say soupy.
Soupy.
Because guess what?
Yeah.
See you them see me do the soup every day.
Every day.
I'm gonna say yeah.
Them the soupy.
Them not say soupy.
Soupy.
So anywhere you wanna see me in the world,
Yeah.
soupy.
And across Soupy left, you know, right? Across Soupy left is his mother.
Now my auntie,
Oh, your
Don't
auntie.
forget my auntie.
Your auntie.
Auntie.
Your auntie. So
She
we're
a come,
going to
she
see
a
what
put on
auntie
her
are going on,
thing,
man.
you know?
Yeah, man. So this is big old pot with soup, same deal with right with him up there. Which is a pea soup, you said today?
Yeah.
Pea soup.
So the first general
And this
come
is
bless
his
it, you know?
first customer for the morning. So you normally come here, come get your soup, sir.
Every morning.
No worries about right here.
Man.
Yeah, man. But what I say, you never yet said to the man, say, you can do some Persian morning too, you know. You ever said that to him yet?
But to me, I'm on a construction work we do still, is it?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm a builder, I'm a carpenter.
Nice.
Mason, steel, man, is it?
Ah.
Yeah, right now I work, I go up and right now.
So yeah, well, a cup of soup first.
Regular thing, man.
Bless up,
Regular,
of course. Yes, man. So it's very early in the morning right now, guys. Little now of the heat right now. Yes, man. So the regular customer don't want this small like a cup. Yeah, man, I put about 6 dumplings in a cup.
No. Him not eat dumpling. Him just want to catch up him stomach.
Just want to get, so you call it the bra.
Yeah.
Just call it the bra.
The rain a fall now, so
Alright.
he just want something to catch up.
Call it the bra.
When he got the work site, you know, so anywhere you see him in the world, you can tell him to come build all your house.
Yeah.
Build your pool.
Nice.
Anything you want him to
This
build.
man right here.
Doing the
great Mason. See here? Yeah, man, so doing saying can build your pool, build your house,
Yeah, man.
build all your shop.
Anything in a construction work.
Yeah, man.
Anything at all, 91.
Again?
853 41 91.
That's doing. So you want your house build, man, do it, fix up for you, man. But
When
you
you call us, ask
drink a
to
cup
call
of
us.
soup.
Alright? When you call, just ask to call us.
That's also
Yeah,
call
you
us.
get everybody.
Nice.
Number one killer in the place.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, he build anything you want.
Yeah, man. I like the vibes right off here, so man.
He will build it.
Right, so I like the vibes off here. So,
Yeah, man.
so I guess
Great places, man.
because the rain coming down and everything, you're still gonna get your crowd in idea, though.
Oh God, man. Yo, you see, but if you come early, you come enjoy it. You see
Yeah.
me?
If you come late,
Jesus
nah, get the
Christ,
soup.
man. Nah, get none.
So tell them what time them can't come, them come them time them not get no soup.
Yes or no? More time it gone down to the bottom, so you don't know, so like the meat boil out and things.
Yeah.
So. Who now look at half price? Depends.
You know, say me I say something, you know. I say something, chef. You sit down at the bottom part of the soup. And the best part
No,
of
the lower part.
the lower part. Jamaican terms, you know them, they really want to look about the lower part, you know, part, but guys, you know, the bottom part of the soup is the best part of the soup where you get the gumption down there, yeah, man, it's very thick.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
man.
God.
But what doing said right now is that him can get a special price differently. You understand me? I say, yeah, man. And then guess what? Me I watch him more going because you know, say have some man now stretch the soup. Me I go watch it, man. Stretch it.
No. Look here.
Yeah.
You see, from morning,
Yeah.
we have witness.
Yeah.
You have camera. You have even American join them in the style.
Yeah.
We can tell you, say,
Not stretch it.
soup it never
Never
catch up
stretch.
on the water and chew in
Yeah.
soup if it done so. Because once I'm it done, I just start and
Yeah.
do my prepping for
Yeah.
the next morning
So
and
you're
go relax myself.
Nice.
No more,
Alright.
nothing else.
So when me I taste my soup, you know, and it tastes good, then I go stretch my own.
No, you can't stretch a soup, man. If you stretch a soup, you will kill yourself.
All right. Yeah, man. So, see, Aunty over there, bubble up your thing too. We see where I go, man, because Aunty busy now, you know, man. See, Aunty there. Yeah, man, Aunty busy right here, man. So, this is a nice Aunty over here. Can't tell him your name, Aunty. I'll tell him what you do, you know. Yeah, man.
My name is Merle. I do fried fish,
Nice.
plantain,
Yeah.
fritters, festival, roast breadfruit.
Wow.
So come in and buy.
Nice. All right, I'm going to stick around and see where I go. So, yeah, you like the fire, want me light
Yeah,
it?
man, catch the fire.
You want me light it because I can't bad pan fire, no? Bad pan fire, man. One go and I eat that in Aunty. One go and I
Just come
eat
and
that.
taste it.
All right. So I'm going to stick around and so Aunty I do it,
Saltfish
man.
fritters.
Mm-hmm.
Saltfish fritters, nice.
So now when you do you have anything special you do like for today, like today? What you do
Like
today?
today?
Like today.
Like
special.
today, no. May I do like festival, fishers, fritters, sprat,
Nice.
snapper.
Nice.
fish.
But me see have some ready down thing over there, so what's the over here?
Yeah, man, them here sprat.
Sprat.
Yeah,
Nice. Early out from
them here
9
snapper.
Snapper. This fry already?
Yeah, them here fry already.
Fry already. Over there says now.
Them here is fritters.
Oh, the fritters
Saltfish
are fry now.
fritters,
They're fry
yeah.
now. Wow.
Them here is festival.
Festival.
Yeah.
So now, what the bammy there?
Them
Me need
here
bammy.
roast breadfruit.
Roast breadfruit. I think I had bammy, that's why I saw bammy there.
No, but
So, roast breadfruit.
we have
Alright.
ackee and saltfish, but I don't get any ackee today.
Oh, you're not gonna ackee today?
But we do
Nice.
ackee and saltfish too.
So, on a day like today?
Yeah.
Alright.
And my sister do roast fish,
Mm-hmm.
curry crab,
Whoa,
boiled crab,
curry crab.
yeah,
Whoa.
rice with it, Irish potato,
Wow.
and roast breadfruit.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, Auntie, so what's your name again? Remind me again.
My name is Merle.
Merle. So we're gonna stick around Merle and so we're going.
Yeah.
I say the thing look great like Pearl.
Yeah.
Auntie Merle. Alright, so we're there around, man. We're gonna stick around.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going for my cup of soup right now.
No one change the ticket.
Beautiful.
Give me a 10 at what pan?
You know, start 6 like.
Nah, I go like my bad man. Bun off me, man. Well hot. Yeah, man. So, well, the chef said, "Me soft, so him give me a little thing to hold it, a little.
What thing?
Yeah, man. Yeah, taste what I go like him tough. Yeah.
You want to know?
I tell him I doing, boy. The soup bad. Soup bad. So, I feel like I go trust about a big bowl, you know. We call the bowl again, Montague bowl.
No. Champion League bowl.
Champion League bowl. So we're gonna trust a Champion League bowl.
Remember, Champion League bowl. Not Arsenal Cup, you know. That is Arsenal Cup.
Arsenal Cup.
Yeah, that is
Alright.
Arsenal.
Small.
Yeah.
Small fry.
All Arsenal.
Yeah, man.
fans
It's like me a taste. Well, I can tell you. Taste all the peas already. I like the soup, man. The soup near, you know, have to come back. Trust me, this game have to come back. Like it. Great, guys. Love the soup. This is the foot, guys. Yeah. Whoa. I can't even talk because the soup's so nice. Soup is so nice, guys. Great. So the sky very bleaky, guys. And now the rain. Gonna have the rain, guys. So I just eat the foot. Going for the cow skin now. Yeah, man, I'm a dumpling down there too, you know. It's a dumpling down there too. Yeah, guys, so you know, Aunty just said that she's gonna roll up some fritters right now. Yeah, man. So you know, when you go out, you always buy the festival. You know, when you eat one, you always want like two. Then man, sometimes lead up to all three. Festival is that thing when you know, always have that little finger licking delicious thing about it. Yeah, man. Festival. I always love festival. Yes, man. And today she have roast breadfruit. Yeah, and she said she normally do bami, but she don't have any bami today. She have festival. She normally do ackee and saltfish. Yes, and she always do roast breadfruit as well. Yes, I teach her to roast breadfruit every day. Yeah, man. So we're gonna see what she going to and how she going to do her fritters. Yes, we're gonna watch her and see how she do her fritters on the big frying pot over here. How she sets it up with all the stone. You know, the stone to keep it level. Yes, man. I can guess the stone is to keep it level. See it right here. Yes. So she put the stone right here to keep the pot level. Am I right? Yes. Yes, to keep the pot level. Yeah, man. So you can see the pot right here getting very hot. Yeah. So how do you sell your festival for one?
I sell one for $50.
One for 50.
Yeah.
Great.
And the fritters, $80 for one.
Oh.
You get 3 spots for $100.
Oh, so why the fritters is there than the festival? Because,
Yeah, because
saltfish they don't eat.
fritters.
Alright, the saltfish they don't eat, man. Yeah, so we're going right here, someone. Yes.
And we have big fish, $400 for small one, and the big one for
It's for
$300.
$300. Great. So, hold on there. When the stone get real hot, you still put your hand on it?
Yeah, man, as long as me and can manage it.
I'm going to feel Aunty hand today, you know. I want to feel her hand today, see if she can go up on farm work. Can I say?
Go on it.
Same thing. So she have a rough hand right here. Yeah, man. So nobody want to feel her hand again because she can say, oh, my hand's so soft.
I used to go on the program with ministry.
Yes. Oh, great. So I was right. Yes, man. So you can see, pour the oil inside of the pot. So as soon as that get well hot, then you just start to put the fritters in it.
Yeah.
And we call it now, the roast breadfruit going in there too.
Yeah, we
Nice.
fry.
Roast and fry.
And the festival I go fry. And the saltfish fritters.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow.
Nice.
All right. Well, I was told that the best fritters around here, fritters and breadfruit and fish. Yeah, and also
just
curry
come right
crab.
out this-
Oh, so you prepared out here?
Yeah,
Right
it
out
soon
here.
come out.
Soon come out. Wow, we're gonna stick around, man. Right, so we're going,
Yeah,
man.
man, the curry crab
man.
nice.
Curry crab. Wow. Yeah,
Curry
man.
crab. So we share with Irish and roast breadfruit.
Oh, so
And
much.
rice.
That sound like a special. How much for that?
$700 for the big one.
$700.
And the small one for... No, the big one for 1,000 and the small one for 7.
Ah, great. No, nice price. Nice price, Auntie. Nice price. All right. Just stick around and so in time, you know, festival and fry up and thing.
This is the saltfish fritters. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, so we have to get rid of it.
Oh, the smell.
Yeah.
I see them suck out the oil.
Yeah, so we have to get rid of those.
Oh. Yes, that's when the smell only effective, man. Suck out the oil.
Yeah.
It doesn't look big too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
$80 for one.
Yes, great.
I'm going to taste it.
Yes, man.
Wherever you're, they just come in and taste one.
Yes, man.
I saw the basement,
Yeah.
the jerk
And
center.
from once them taste, them have to come back, you know.
Yeah, yes, sir, the
Yes.
fry center and the jerk center.
Nice.
Curry crab, man.
So how long now this business been off right here?
Long time now. Sometimes when like my sister have to go away, we don't bother with it. And if me have to go work, we don't worry with it. But
It's
man
still
never-
about here.
Yeah,
Still
man, I
about-
never cook soup from Monday till Saturday.
Nice.
Yeah, man, business have
Yeah,
to
man.
go.
So I mean, even if she's not here, business still a going.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So what she's saying, even if she's not here, business still going on. Even the fritters not going, soup are going.
And if no soup now going,
Yeah.
fritters are
Fritters
going.
are going.
Yeah.
So the hard talk that man, the hard talk man, still a go on. You know, like what a go on?
Never
Yeah,
look.
man. Fritters are
Soup
go on.
nice. People from all over.
Come taste the soup. What a taste?
Downtown, Bowers, Harborview,
Yes.
Harford Tree, all about them have you about German soup.
Yeah,
them,
man.
them have to come in.
German soup are the best out here.
Yeah,
Nice,
all
nice. Yeah, man, I love the soup, man. Tastes very good this morning, man. Tastes very good.
All over.
So right now, guys, it's very early still, you know. But
Yeah,
to do everything
early.
early in the morning. But the customer them soon come in, come do them thing.
Yeah. We don't want to fritters them too crisp, so we have to change them over now. Them get some color,
Nice,
fix them up.
nice. All right. Yeah, so what you were saying now, when you finish with the fritters right here, it's best for the fire go down so she could get run and so on.
Yeah, coconut juice. Yeah.
So the
And
breadfruit
we have
right
to
here.
Make the coconut juice cook down with the season
See
them.
chef there?
See chef them is cherry. So when it season up here and it cook down now, you
So
can
what's this
put
going
in
right here? What's going on right
curry
here?
crab.
Yeah.
Coconut in a coconut.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is how it prepared, the curry
Yeah.
crab. So the crab them there.
The crab them.
Don't want
them
it to
not
go
ready
in
to
yet.
go in here.
Ah,
Can't put in the crab yet. You have to season it first.
and this vice over here now is a great chef. See her right here. I can't tell your name, chef.
This cherry.
Miss Cherry. So otherwise called Cherry Berry. Cherry Berry.
Camber.
And this is a nice old roast breadfruit.
Yeah.
Nice, beautiful breadfruit right here. Yes, man, I'm a great restaurant.
No, you don't put the pepper like that.
No, she have cooked them up.
All right. Remember your fritters, mommy. Remember your fritters.
I can't remember. So.
Yes. Look at most taste would make our fritters burn in it. That shock to me. But I put a spear for them there. The color is very good now though. I like the color. So she lined the pan right here with hand towel to take off the grease. Yes man, so when you do this now you take off the grease off it.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, so hand towel support the grease from off the fritters. Great.
Complete.
That's great, man, of course. Light up big old fritters in my mouth, make them see where I'm going.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Let's see where I'm going.
So what time the customer them now want to roll out?
They not no special time, you know.
Oh, them just have a time. And because the rainy time now, them probably will come out a little slow. That's normal. Yes.
You know, any time, you know, I go and know me have it from spot. That's when they
Great.
come.
You have it?
Yeah, then can get it.
Yes, man. And those little small piece, you have to take them out because you said it's suck the hile.
Yeah.
What a piece of bad boy, me. Then look about them talawa, man. Suck up the hile. Yes, man.
I suck out my eye. So I have to keep. Sometimes it's not so fast, you know.
The breadfruit?
If they fry it, not so fast sometimes, but we sell, but it not sometimes, you know.
You not go fast.
But you have your customers, them.
Oh.
But we call in and come and,
Ask if you have it.
yeah, no, they just come and hard. Like I want taxi man in call,
Oh.
and he had already. So, you know, so when he come in, he want 4 fish. I said the fry planting too.
Oh,
Fry planting and turn planting.
nice. So guys, I just, you know, I like this type of, you know, cooking that take place in front of my eyes. I see exactly what's going on. You know, so I mean, and I guess it's something that she practiced, not because I'm taste what is here. Yeah man, she wash her and after she do something and she come back. She's a veteran man, so she know her thing man. So look at the little youngster them who are going to the food business can watch and take some little lessons from Aunty right here. Yeah man. Yeah man, wash her at the proper word, right? Wash up then
Yeah.
afterwards.
Have to wash your hands.
Yes man. Whoa, wow, I catch fire.
No man, it's alright.
Oh,
I could look at I'll catch what he said.
burn off.
Yeah.
Nice. So yeah guys, so like I said, you know, so you have Aunty, son and mommy, you know, keeping the business still alive, you know, the roadside cooking still alive. Yes man, where they can bring. Yes man. Nice. So we have the breadfruit going inside here now. This is the breadfruit time. Wow. Customers was just passing just now and just. No man, no man. No man. Yeah man. Yes, there's some good old breadfruit going on right here.
Can I get a red fruit on it?
Fritters start selling right now. Yes, man. Nice. So this is a great curry crab. Nice.
From in the curry,
Yeah.
you are going to add Irish potato. Add Irish potato to it afterward. When it's simmered down,
Yes.
you add some Irish potato to it.
Nice, nice.
Here you have the curry.
So now I know how to look about curry crab. And also watching the video, got to know how to look about curry crab. Yes man, so this is a great old curry crab. Nice. Nice. I've been doing this for years. For years. Nice. Okay.
I'm going to prepare the Irish potato now.
Yes.
I'm going to put them small because they will mash up.
Oh.
So you one Irish in like 4.
Nice.
Like 4, or if it is too big, we cut it in 6.
And the serve with it. Serve with
Serve
it.
it.
Nice. Great. Alright then. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna try my fritters right now.
Yeah.
Yes. Was right. If it tastes better than my one. But the great thing about it now, my teeth are style and our recipe, you know. So this is what I'm gonna look about my fritters next time. Yes, man. Wow. Look, so this fritters right here is $80 for one. Right. Very hot in them. And you guys sell juice as well, right? Natural juice as well?
No, we are starting.
Just that natural juice head. So she doesn't start the natural juice as yet, but they do sell juice too. Real Jamaican style, man. So if you don't prepare any breakfast in the morning and you're going to work, don't worry. She's right out here very early on Montague Street. You cannot miss. Just come out anytime early. Buy your fritters, buy your breadfruit, buy your festival, also fish, and guess what coming out, guys? Curry crab, and also soup. You can take it to work. You can also call. So later I'm gonna put the number in the description so you can call them. You know, prepare breakfast for your friend when you go to work. Come on, guys. Cannot miss. And the fritters is very good. Yeah, man. Yummy. Nice golden brown too, you know. Wow.
This is the festival now.
So this festival going inside. Festival inside the pot right here. Nice. Great. Yeah, guys, so yeah, man, so yeah, customer just driving, come for a fish. And fritters is very good, guys, very good. So in our term Jamaican now you say bad. Yeah, man, so when something tastes good in Jamaica, we said bad. Yeah, man. And I guess you guys will say great. Yeah, man. Yes. Yeah, it tastes good, man. It tastes good. Tastes very good. Very good. I have to put them at the Ray-Ban, you know, because sometimes you guys might see me in the glasses. The smoke sometimes tends to burn my eyes, you know. Yeah, so I like to have on the glasses. Yeah. Great. You can see customer coming over right here, you know, guys. Beautiful. Yes, man. Coming for a cup of soup right there. Yeah. There's a great old German helping out Aunty right now. Yeah, man. Come Jeremy, come spin your breadfruit, Jeremy. Spin over your breadfruit.
$150. Huh? No, that's not. I see. Yeah, brother.
Daddy, see it here? You listen to me.
So Jeremy is taking out the breadfruit. So the breadfruit is finished. Yes. So the festival also into the pot.
Party.
This is the Irish preparing for the crop.
Yeah.
Nice. So you teach Jeremy now lead style. You have to learn. So you don't have any daughter?
Yeah, man, the two daughters, and one of them married live in Portmore. We go to the same church.
Oh,
For faith.
nice.
And the other one is in New York.
Oh, and Jeremy not the one who steal and cook after you gone.
You see?
You can't imagine how you're beating for cookie.
So it's, I have 2 boys and 2 girls.
Nice. Nice, Peary. Of course.
Boys and 2 girls. You know what I mean? It's the third one.
The third one.
Yeah,
I'm
the
like the
second
spoiled
one
one
is
too,
a
you know. You spoiled Jeremy, I can't see you know. Jeremy is the spoiled one.
So the 2 girls are bigger than the girls.
Okay.
And then you have the last one is a boy.
Yeah.
He's in New York. He's in New York.
Jeremy look out, line them back over there so.
Yeah. But look here. All of them can cook, you know.
Oh.
All of them can cook.
Yes.
Because, you know, what is happening, I go with my aunt and my mom, and let me tell you, they are old people and they could cook.
Nice.
So I mean, you know, you can't leave the kitchen and in them days you have to use wood fire.
Yeah.
And you can't leave and go and play or anything like that.
Yeah,
So
to burn.
you have to around the kitchen with them. You understand?
Yes.
You have to in the kitchen with them.
Nice.
So you know, that's where I got it from. And so I love the kitchen. I love
Nice.
the cooking
Yeah.
from a longer while. You know?
And I guess when you go away then you cook for people and say, wow.
Yeah, cook. Yeah, because one time One time my daughter, landlord, it was his birthday, so they were having roast fish. I told his daughter that let me do the fish for her. And everybody come and recommend me and said, Lord, the roast fish is so nice because you know you do the sauce different and thing like that. So the roast stuff the fish and do it. And they were like, who did rice and peas, who did the roast fish?
Yeah.
So he was saying, telling them that is the lady that lived there.
Yeah.
His tenant,
Yeah.
or her mother.
And that was when I was away.
Yes, I went that time I went away to look for my daughter, you know.
Nice. Yeah. You look when you say one great chef, man. Great chef. Brother, look
I'm
at
not
you.
praising
No.
myself, you know. I'm
No?
not praising myself.
Well, trust me, I praise you because everybody out here doing their thing. I know you're the leader. Them tell you.
All right.
So I am under the little blue tent, cooling down because the rain is pouring right now. So I'm under the blue tent. Yes, man, with a customer eating our fritters. So I was asking her, can I get a piece? And she said, yeah, sure. So I said, you're right because it's so nice. Yeah, man, so she not sure one. Yeah, man. So you tried breadfruit already? Try breadfruit already? You tried the breadfruit already? Great. You never walk with the umbrella, man. You never wait on the umbrella. You say if you give me fritters, don't will I give you my umbrella. I'll give you my. Alright, I'll give you my umbrella if you give me a piece of fritters. But you say you're not share. Yes, guys, so the rain is pouring right now.
Alright, mama.
Yeah, man.
Fritters right here.
Pouring.
Alright.
Nice.
Yeah.
But like you want to eat 7 more.
Oh boy, so this is German and most time customer them around here. Yeah, man. So Auntie, mommy, I make sure tell Mr. Boy she bring in the kitchen from early out, you know.
Eh?
Teach you how to cook from early out.
And I like.
And you know what I'm going for German right now? So one question I got, you not married yet?
No, sir.
What do you mean? Your food now all the girl it. How are you going? Woman love chef, you know, brother? Woman love chef. One son.
That's a 4-year-old this year.
Wow. And with you? Stay with you? Stay with you? With the mother? Oh, yeah.
Mother, I idiot all the time.
Oh, so Jeremy said, boy, I'm just come keep back with feed mommy and go on cook. Oh, mommy. Oh. Alright. You're ready tough, man. Yeah, man. I don't want you to come here, brother. I'll come turn over your soup.
Yeah, come and talk about your problem on video. And I'll put over the soup here today.
Yeah, man.
But stay with us great, tell her every day.
Yeah.
Whatever she wants some machine them on that do.
Yeah.
That's what she give it to the son, that's why I say that.
Go on, keep on. I like an easygoing person to man, you know, easygoing you. How much you want? I bet how much?
No, sir. Best month in the year.
What much?
December.
This one?
December.
You heard this me now? March.
Yeah, man, December when everybody come out and
Together.
spend the money.
A true man, I really think.
So,
Yeah, man. So you're born from the best month, which is the broke month, you know. 'Cause after December, you're broke.
no, sir.
You say no? You have money January? Yeah, but
Yeah.
January you're broke.
No, sir.
Yeah, man.
That's why I have to find money to little
Yeah. So we have a look at the reason with the chef. This is one chef right here. Yeah, but you don't like him give me the go around when we come taste him soup the last time. Cause you know Aunty never there. But Aunty them is back. So Aunty do them thing and show him how to do the thing, you know? Yeah, man. But Jeremy still keep the place alive, same way, man. Never die yet. But they make sure same one to show me the real queen. So the real queens are here.
Real boss.
Yeah, the
You know
real
the
boss
real
are
boss.
here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, boss.
So, mama, this would happen.
Yeah, cool.
cherry and curry crab. So come in, come in. Curry crab and Irish
Tell
and
them.
curry crab and Irish and roast breadfruit and white rice.
Nice. White rice.
Yeah. Come in,
Nice.
come in. Okay. Now my customers
Oh, the customer make some order.
yeah, them not kill me, me not pick them out.
Also, normally call you and make a order more time.
Yeah.
Oh, they don't mean you need to give them your number then, man. You need to tell them your number. You know your number in your head, right?
Who, the people them?
No, you.
If me know my number?
Yeah, sometimes some
No,
people remember them
me too,
numbers.
yeah, me number.
Alright. So I can put in the description. So I want to know what you fish and him bummy and everything. Just call you see me, you know?
Yeah, then just call
Nice.
in and order.
Yeah.
Number 5.
Hold on. Alright, can you give me a number?
Yeah, 589-0829. Anytime you want me, just call me on this number. You can order your fried fish,
Nice.
festival,
Yeah.
roast breadfruit when it's fried fritters, and sprat, and snapper fish fry.
Great. So when you want Auntie, man, just call her up, man,
Just call Auntie,
and make your
Auntie,
order.
just
You know,
make
come
your
stick
order.
around. You
When you're
just
not
collect
you just collect and move.
and move.
Yeah.
Nice. Yes. Great.
Just call Auntie, man. Only Friday.
So you're going to do this on Friday?
Yeah. You
Alright.
just call Auntie and tell Auntie, say, I need some breakfast, I want to get it. And hockey and saltfish.
Ah,
The roast breadfruit, you just get it and move. Collect.
nice. Collect and move.
Collect and move.
And move. Nice. And that is a great auntie speaking.
Yeah, and you have
man.
the soup, same time drink a warm cup of soup. And you get a dish of curry crab
Coming out soon.
with roast breadfruit
And white
And-
rice.
and white rice.
Nice.
Irish potato.
Yes.
Well look good.
Yeah, man, it's coming out,
Just
man,
come
in the
out
next
and
5
get it.
minutes.
The cherry have it right here.
Alright. Whoa, what beautiful, beautiful.
Cherry,
Watch it,
what?
man. Steamy.
Curry
So
crab
everything
and
ready
white
now.
rice and curry crab.
Curry crab, white
Yeah.
rice with
Curry crab
breadfruit.
with roast breadfruit,
Nice.
Irish potato in it, and
Yeah.
white rice.
And white rice. And how much for your servings is that?
Okay, the burger box is for $700.
Nice.
The coffin box, which is the tall one, that's
Mm-hmm.
for $1,000, and the double side box is for $2,000.
Great, great. And this is a curry crab.
Right.
Nice. So you crab lover, you can come down, man. It's a different style, not just the crab. You get something else with the crab.
Yeah.
Yes, and you just was told by no other than Miss
Cherry.
Cherry. Yes, man. So I call her Cherry Berry. Yeah,
just
man.
come
see,
on in
you
and
can come
everything
on
is
in and
good.
try your thing right here, man. Only on Friday you do this.
Yes, only on
Only
Friday.
on Friday you do this. Great.
Only on Friday.
Yeah, guys, so as Stacey was saying now, how to reach this venue, you just come off on Lanston Road. Yeah, man. So if you come on Lanston Road, you just drive come on Montague Street, and when you turn, you cannot miss. You see them right off Montague Street alongside Langston Road. I just turn, you see the sign, Montague Street. Yeah, you cannot miss them, man. You come right here, see them right off here, so doing their beautiful thing right here. So like I said, guys, if you don't look go to your breakfast in the morning, you're going to work, you can stop right off here, so you get everything right here, man. Only thing they don't do is tea. But you get your early morning soup, cow skin, beef soup, and you know, so you do different soup every other day. You understand? So whatever you like, you just come right half here, so, and you get your beautiful fried fritters, bummies, breadfruit, fish, curry crab. Yes, man, you cannot miss right half here, so man. And guess what, guys? The best part about it, the price is very reasonable. What I said, guys, the price is very reasonable for real, guys. So this is Taste Bud with you guys. So I'm going to try my curry crab. Make you see what I'm tasting, and I'm gonna make you know the curry crab taste. Yes, man, from taste buds say Ray, you don't know, say you say yeah. Yeah, guys, so we're going to see how the curry crab tastes right now. And the smallest one is for how much again?
700.
$700 for the smallest one, up to $1,000. All right. Ooh, woo. Hot and steamy. Hot and steamy. So we have a crab and the breadfruit in the mouth. Breadfruit in the mouth. Ooh, see there? Breadfruit, curry crab. Ah, get on it and now I see it. I'm Irish. Like I said, guys, this I'm calling yellow heart breadfruit. Have a little sweetness to it. So it's the yellow heart breadfruit. So if it's not yellow heart, it don't. Whoa, it's all spicy. All spicy, guys. All spicy. Whoa. This is a crab. I have a lot of pepper to deal with this right here. Ooh. So guys, if you like spice, this is where you come and get your spicy crab, your breadfruit, you know, with your white rice, and also fried breadfruit with Irish potato in it. Great, guys. So it's it right here. Beautiful. Wow. Like I said, guys, like, share, subscribe, send to your friends, you know, help the channel to grow by liking, subscribe, and Facebook. I'll meet you again